I was falling through the silence, losing every part of me. Every road was leading nowhere, every dream I couldn't see. But a spark is still alive, buried deep beneath the pain, calling me to rise again. This is not the